Hello, lovely people. You are welcome to my kitchen. It's yet another day for our challenge, and this time around, we are going to have some scrambled eggs with some green smoothies. Yes, so please, if you have not yet subscribed, consider subscribing, like, and share the video. You might help someone by sharing. So let's see the ingredients or the things we are going to use for our awesome scrambled eggs and smoothies. So we're going to make use of some avocados. The avocado is very soft in this season. At my place, it's very difficult getting that awesome avocado. So we'll manage this. We are adding also spinach, dandelion, parsley, celery, cucumber, and ginger. We are also adding almond milk sweetener to it. And for the scrambled eggs, we are going to make use of 3 eggs, black and white pepper, chopped onions, as well as red, yellow, and green bell pepper. We will also add some spring onions to it, and then we have salt solution that we are going to use. We'll also use a mixed spice and mixed spices. So what we're doing now is we are washing all our greens and then adding them to the blender. We will add our cucumber also to it, as well as the avocado, ginger, sweetener, almond milk to it, and blend everything together. Yes, so this is it. We are going to blend it. Please, if you just joined us, all the days for the challenge are there. All that you need to do is to go to videos and start watching from day one. Add exercise to your diet, drink a lot of water, and check the description box for flat tummy water, how to make it, and then begin. You will get there. So this is our green smoothies. I am going to leave it in the fridge for it to chill while I attend to the scrambled eggs. So we are adding all our 3 eggs into our bowl. Then we'll add some sauce solution, mixed spices, black and white pepper, then whisk everything together. One of the things you also need to take into consideration is facelift on keto. Some, when it starts 1 week, 2 weeks, then they'll start experiencing it. You realize that it's like your facial muscles are reducing. Sometimes someone will see you and ask you, are you okay? Is everything all right? It's part of the process. You don't have to give up. It shows that keto is working on you. And so with time, your body will also show it. And so we are whisking everything. And then we just added 2 tablespoons of coconut oil into our pan. And we are just spreading it in our pan very well. And what we'll do is we'll add a bit of our chopped onions and stir fry it for some few seconds. Then we'll add our bell peppers also to it. And so if you are doing keto very well, you will definitely experience facelift or facial lift a bit. The way you match kakra, a hand for the way you match kakra. Then we are also adding black and white pepper, and we'll give it a bit of mixed spices. The only salt I added is the salt that I added to the raw eggs before whisking. I didn't add salt again. So stir fry this for a minute before adding our whisked eggs. Okay, so we are adding everything into the pan. And this, we are not going to allow it to cook fully before we start stirring or turning it. This is scrambled egg. So just push it aside for the raw eggs to also fall into the pan, and then begin to stir everything together. This is scrambled, so let's scramble it. Okay, and also you don't have to let it cook 100%, but you quickly have to add in your spring onions and the remaining chopped onions and cover for at least 30 seconds or at most 30 seconds. Okay, and so keto works within, then it starts working on your face before your body shows that you are reducing. And so, my dear, take it one day at a time and you will not regret. Okay, so we are done with our awesome or sumptuous scrambled eggs, and we are going to place it on this let's use bed we've made, or let's use garden. I call this bed of roses. Yes, so this is my bed of roses, and you are going to enjoy this if you give it a try. The taste is awesome with our chilled green smoothies. Please, one thing you need to know is that greens are very much necessary on keto diet, and even if you are not ketoing, eat at least greens a lot for health's sake. Thanks so much for watching. If you have not yet subscribed, consider subscribing, share and like the video. Bye bye.
Send me straight the way I'm a man. I saw me boo,